This is Samsung S10 Plus and version 12. So after the new update, I found out there was a problem with the keyboard, Samsung keyboard. Every time I try to type something, there was a suggestions by select the third party here. This the third party, which is the last one, Grammarly, English Writing Assistance. So this one was on, and see, now the thing is, when you put the, I'm gonna leave this. Okay, so the Grammarly, it's the new after new update, the Samsung added this Grammarly to help you find suggestion for your when you write something. It helps you by the highlight with the green. It's kind of a green highlight, shows you where to correct the words, correct everything, and so on. But the problem is, I found this very annoying. For me, I don't know why. Maybe for other people it's okay. It's kind of a freeze, especially on YouTube. Every time I go to YouTube, on YouTube Studio, try to upload video and try to write description on the video title and so on, just after a few seconds, and start freeze. And then when I try to minimize Google Studio, try to go to different page, different app or so, I lose everything. I lose completely everything. So this video, I'm just gonna try to disable this third-party Grammarly, which is added recently to the new after new update, and then I'm just gonna use Google Translate instead, not Grammarly. Now I go back again. How to do this? By like simply. So let's say, okay. So when I go, this is like try to type when you pop up your keyboard, or you can go to the screen. You see, yeah. So anyway, as long as you try to type something, see, this is the keyboard. So go to setting. In the setting here, you will see all those, and go scroll down a little bit until you see this is the select third party. Click on it, and you will see that this is what means the third party. So you see. So for me, it was Grammarly, which is I kind of find it really annoying, freezing, and kind of not responding sometimes. So I'm gonna choose Google for now. I'll go back. I'll do test again and see how this one goes. So I'll choose. Okay, now I'll go to Studio, YouTube Studio. Try to go by upload video. Let's see this.
Hello everyone, this is just quick.
And let's try now. Let's see. I'm just gonna try whatever is I can, just for test, nothing else. Done. Now let's go to description, see if this is gonna be freezing again. So far so good. I'm just gonna do, because after a few seconds, I don't know if anybody have this problem, but a few seconds later, and this one start freezing. You see, I don't see any green on those three dots. Suggestion for Grammarly, and by the way, this Grammarly is not free. If you click on this Grammarly, they ask you to sign up, and I'll show you in a few seconds. See, now everything works perfect. Now let's go back again, and I'll show you what I mean by Grammarly. Let's go to third party, cancel this, and let's check YouTube Studio now and see what. Okay, so just for demonstration. Okay, see, that's what I mean. Now it shows. See those green line highlighted? That's what kind of gives you suggestion, 5 suggestion and so on. But it's very helpful though. But this thing, it keeps freezing, like just after a few seconds, and then everything will freeze. And okay, see, now you can see this a green dot on the 3 dots. See, that's what suggestion tells you to do. And so anyway, if you have the same problem, while you're typing on YouTube, especially on YouTube Studio only, I found only this problem on YouTube Studio only. all you need to do simply by going to keyboard setting and select third party and disable this. Use Google instead if you like, or use any one of those, but I use Google mostly for now. Anyway, I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos randomly, regularly. You may like a video or so, and consider subscribe, like, and share. All the best, and hope to see you next video. Thank you.